Hey, Santa Clarita, today's the 307th day of 2024. We are at November 2nd, and here's your daily real estate update. Listen up, folks. We have 55 listings that hit the market in Santa Clarita Valley this past week, 64 price changes, and that tells me sellers are motivated and responsive. If you're a buyer, this is a prime chance to shop with options and negotiate smart. But sellers understand this market is not waiting for anyone. Price your home right from the start if you want to compete with all the new listings. You got one shot at making that first impression, so make it count. Number two, we do have the coming soon and backup properties, back on market properties. These give buyer opportunities. Buyers, listen here. We have 5 coming soon properties. Sneak peek at what's coming up. 16 properties went back onto the market after they were in escrow. That's like getting a second chance, and it's often a sweet spot for getting a deal. These homes didn't work out the first time around, which could mean sellers are ready to work with you. Go in prepared, make a solid offer, because hesitation definitely will cost you. Now let's talk numbers. 19 properties went under contract, 42 properties went pending, and that's what I call buyer demand. People are buying, folks. That means if you're serious, you have to act fast. Buyers, make sure you're pre-approved, get your ducks in a row, and be ready to jump on a property when you find the one. Sellers, if you priced it right, this is the kind of market where your home should move. If it's not, we definitely need to talk. Here's a lesson for all the sellers out there. 56 closed sales this week. That's fantastic. But we also had 11 properties expired. You know what that means? Those 11 sellers priced too high or didn't put the work in to make their home stand out. So if you're serious about selling, don't list your home at dreamland prices. This market doesn't care about your wish price. Price it where it needs to be, and you'll be one of those 56 that get into escrow, not the 11 that don't. And finally, we have got 10 canceled, 7 withdrawn, and 13 properties on hold. That's a little insider tip for you all. These sellers are either regrouping, rethinking, or maybe just testing the waters. If you're a buyer, don't ignore these properties. They are potential opportunities that could come back on the market, maybe at better terms. And sellers, if you're thinking about pulling out, make sure you're doing it for the right reasons. Sometime a small price adjustment or a minor repair is all it takes to make a property competitive again. Folks, this isn't the time to play games with your biggest asset. I mean, I don't even know where that time is. Whether you're buying or selling, get your head in the game and work within the market, not against it. The Santa Clarita market is moving. If you want to succeed, you need to be prepared, stay flexible, and above all, make smart, informed decisions. It's all about strategy. If you need me, I'm just a call away. One of the things I will talk about with regard to buyers making offers, there are ways besides attacking the sales price to make your offer better, especially if you're competing with others. And you sellers out there, there are ways to make your home more attractive and to bring those buyers in and to give them the hopes that they will actually be able to secure your residence as their forever home, investment home, move up home, or step down home. I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready, reach out. You can find all the information at SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. Be well, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care. Over and out.